Welcome to Amazon Global Selling's Export Cafe. We are going to cover a step-by-step registration guide for you to launch on Amazon Global Selling. Registering with Amazon Global Selling takes only a few minutes. We are going to cover the registration requirements, the registration guide, and the next steps after registration in the next few slides. Firstly, let's take a look at the documents required for registration. Primarily, you require your ID proof, which can be your Aadhaar card, driving license or passport. Secondly, you require a business address proof for which you can use the bank or credit card statement for the recent 1 month to verify the company address. Thirdly, you require your credit or debit card detail for which you'll have to enter the details during registration. You'll have to ensure that it is international transactions enabled. And lastly, ensure that you have selected your seller name, that is the name which will be displayed in your Central account. Step 1. Registration. Firstly, to start registration, you can go to Amazon Global Selling's website. That is, you can go to it via the sell.amazon.in app, access it there and click on register now. Once you click on register now, you can select the marketplace that you want to launch into, whether it's North America, Europe or any other market. In the second step, you can click on the create your Amazon account at the bottom, the option that's available. Once that's done, you can click on the first name and last name that you want to keep for your account, your email address, and create a password for the account. Next, you will receive an OTP. Please enter the OTP and click on create your Amazon account. In the next step, select the country of your business. Here, ideally, you have to select the country where your business is based out of. Next, select your business type. Ideally, you will have to select whether it's a privately owned business, whether you're an individual, or whether it's a partnership-based firm. Next, enter your business address as mentioned on your bank account statement, city, state, country of origin and postal code accordingly. Select a mode of receiving the PIN and provide the mobile number to which you want to receive the SMS or call. Enter the PIN and complete the verification. Enter the name of the primary contact person and click Next. In the next step, enter the primary contact person information in detail. Select their country of citizenship and date of birth. Ensure you check your residential address. Add another address if this doesn't match with the one on your bank statement. In step 10, verify your mobile number. Add more numbers if needed. Select the checkboxes on the basis of information provided, that is whether you are the beneficial owner as well as a legal representative of the business. If you have added all the beneficial owners of your business, click Yes. Click No if there are more than one. In step 11, you can go ahead and enter your credit card number and expiry details. Type the card holder's name in English. Ensure that you fill in the credit card billing address. If the billing address is the same as the business address, you can use the address you originally entered. If the billing address and the business address are different, select the Add a New Address option to enter a new address. Next, enter your store name. Its store name is the seller name that customer sees when they order the product from Amazon. You can change and edit this later on as well. Please note that store name is available basis the name being unique. So in case the store name you have entered is not available, try to use a different abbreviation or a different store name that will work. If your products have barcodes or product IDs, then you can select Yes in the left mentioned option. If your products do not have barcodes, click No. That means you will use Amazon generated barcodes. If you're a manufacturer or brand owner of your product, click on Yes for next question. In the next step, ensure if all the details on the documents are exactly matching with what you have entered. Now, ensure that you have scanned all the original documents in color using your mobile device. Do not submit a screenshot. You can also upload the e-copy of documents. For example, for Aadhaar card, you can download it from the e-Aadhaar website. Now, you can go ahead and upload the two ID proofs that you have submitted. That is your identity proof, whether you've selected Aadhaar or passport, you can go ahead and upload scans of that. Also, go ahead and upload a bank statement for the recent 1 month. You need to ensure that the bank statement has been issued in the past 90 days. It should be easily readable, and you can hide the account number and monetary amounts if you wish to, but the rest of the document must be visible. The documents must be in either of the following languages mentioned. If not, then we need to provide a notarized translation of your document into one of these supported languages. the prescribed formats and size of the file are mentioned. Post submitting the documents, you would be prompted for the video call verification option. Here we have two options. Either you can go ahead and take a photo of your face, or the other option is go and join a video call with an Amazon associate. For step 1, you can simply take a photo of your face and your ID proof as stated in the instructions. For the second option, you can select the date and time out of the available slots for the verification call and click next. Once your ID verification is done, our team will get back to you with an update within 2 business days. Now we're going to look at some of the next steps after registration. Mainly that is going ahead and creating your listings firstly. That is, you can go ahead, use the Add a Product tool on Seller Central and get started with your listings. Next, you can go ahead and create a shipment on Amazon Seller Central. You can convert your listings to FBA and ship products to Amazon fulfillment centers. Lastly, once you've launched on Amazon and have made sales, then you would need to ensure that you receive payments in the correct manner. So you can update your relevant deposit account details to ensure that you get your remittances in your local bank in INR.